Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Windows laptop like new again. So if you have a Windows laptop, it doesn't matter which brand and you run a Windows 11 and you have a whole lot of things going on there, but just simply want to wipe it, clean it so that it looks like when you just take it out of the box and set it up. Let me show you how. All you have to do is right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on Settings. From here, you on the left hand side, click on System. Scroll down and you will find recovery. Click on that. And you will see the option that says reset this PC. Click on reset this PC. You'll receive a pop-up. Now you have two options. You have the one to keep your files and the other option to remove all files and apps and so forth. So you want to choose this option to remove all files. So it's going to remove everything. And the next step from here, you will choose how you want to reinstall Windows. You can reinstall it from the cloud or you can reinstall Windows from this device. Simply mean that it's going to just reinstall from your PC. You can choose whichever option that you want. For this case, let's say I'm going to choose from the cloud as an example. If you have active internet connection, you can choose this option to do it from the cloud. If not, you can choose the local option. So I have internet connection at the moment, so I'm going to just quickly choose this, but the local reinstallation is pretty much fast. So it doesn't matter which one you choose, just choose the one that's best for you. There's no wrong or right option here. Just select one and click and next. Now this section might take a few minutes, so you just need to be patient because it's going to get things ready. And from this screen, it's ready for resetting your PC. Reset will remove all of your personal files and user account from this PC. It's going to remove any changes made to the settings. It's going to remove all your apps and programs, and it's going to go ahead and download and reinstall Windows for you. And that is exactly what you need. Keep in mind there are two notes. It says this will take a while for your PC to reset, so you need to go ahead and just be patient, right? Once this process is started, and you will see that the download is going to require more than 3 gigs of data. So of course you want to ensure that you have enough space, and I hope that for most of you this is not an issue for the second node. And all you have to do now is go ahead and click reset and allow the PC to reset. And once this is done and completed, your computer will be like new again. And that's pretty much it, guys.